you're going to start on your left foot. Step, shuffle, rock, step. Step, shuffle, rock, step. Then 2 fast wobblers. We're going to go to the right corner and then to the left corner. Heel, heel, kick, ball, ball. Heel, heel, kick, ball, ball. Let's do that. Go 2, 3. Step, shuffle, rock, step. Step, shuffle, rock, step. Heel, heel, kick, ball, ball. Heel, heel, kick, ball, ball. Then you're going to do 2 more basics and the jump sequence. Go 2, 3. Step, shuffle, rock, step. Step, shuffle, rock, step. Jump, 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 jump. Then 2 basics and the turning step, brush, hop, step, toe, toe. This you will turn 360. So immediately after jump, 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 step, shuffle, rock, step, step, shuffle, rock, step, step, brush, hop, step, toe, toe. Okay, that's the second toe. All right, so let's tack on 2 basics, jumps, 2 basics, and the turning step. Go 2, 3, step, shuffle, rock, step, step, shuffle, rock, step, jump, 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 step, shuffle, rock, step, step, shuffle, rock, step, step, brush, hop, step, toe. Then we've got 2 basics and a jump ending that's a little bit different from the jump sequence that you're used to. So step, shuffle, rock, step, step, shuffle, rock, step, jump, jump, and that's the end. So this step as a whole is the only one that doesn't have the 2 basics, step, brush, hop, ball, heel, toe, ending. So this kind of breaks all the different patterns that we're used to in the other steps, but you do get to revisit other steps like the fast wobblers and the jumps and that turning step. So let's try it all together. Go 2, 3, step, shuffle, rock, step, wobblers, heel, heel, click, ball, ball, basics, jump, turn, Let's try